Take 5.
Take 5.
Take 5.
So,
Last one.
Last one. Okay, Pierre, I have a challenge for you. In 2 minutes, can you explain to us the manufacturing process of these different smoke extracts?
So 2 minutes. Let's go. First, obviously, we have to start with some kind of wood. We always use hardwood in the form of sawdust, which is loaded into a furnace.
So what type of wood? Because I know there's different flavors with different types of wood.
Yeah, so in the US, hickory tends to be the primary wood used by our competition in their manufacturing of smoke extracts. At our factory in Europe, we like beechwood. That's the one we have easy access to. The flavor aroma lends itself perfectly to so many aroma goals that we have in food creations. So beechwood is clearly our go-to starting material. We also use oak wood. We also use hickory, of course, for certain applications or blends. But beechwood is really the key.
So how about the actual manufacturing process?
So we put this sawdust in the furnace with pyrolysis. We produce smoke and charcoal. The charcoal is set aside. The smoke goes through pipes and is driven into a condenser and condense from the gaseous state to the liquid state.
So after it's a liquid state, is it done there, or
It's not just done yet.
Okay.
Because at that stage, it still holds a number of undesirable compounds like tar, for instance, that you wouldn't want to formulate in
nasty
your foods.
byproducts?
So indeed, we remove what is called the organic fraction, which contains tar and other things. That is removed from that fraction. And we keep the good stuff, filter it, and at that point you have a perfectly legit, safe, food-grade liquid smoke extract. We can stop there, or we can push the process further by distilling this liquid smoke extract, by further extracting it for the purpose of increasing the concentration, essentially. So the result of pushing the process is to deliver a highly impactful, super concentrated extract.
And it leads us to the variety that we have here.
Absolutely, and we have many more.
Well, I think you hit 2 minutes. Good job, Pierre. And if you like that video and you learned something, like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.